Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop channel. We are making nuts milk chocolate. Let's make it together. 5½ tablespoons cocoa powder. Sift the cocoa powder, it helps prevent lumps. Half cup coconut oil or cocoa butter. Place the bowl over boiling water over medium-high heat, making sure the water is not touching the bottom of the bowl. Stir occasionally until all oil is melted. Turn the heat to medium-low. Add and stir 5½ tablespoons cocoa powder. Add 4 tablespoons full cream milk powder and stir until fully incorporated. Add half cup powdered sugar, 1/3 at a time until all is incorporated. Once all the ingredients are combined, turn off the heat. Stir for about 4 minutes. After the 4 minutes are up, remove the pot from stove. Add 3 drops of vanilla extract. Stir for another 4 minutes. Once done, pour the chocolate into molds. Sprinkle with roasted macadamia nuts or add nuts of your choice. Refrigerate until the chocolate is completely set, about 2 hours. After the chocolate is set, take it out of the mold. The taste is a little different from store-bought chocolate but delicious. Keep the chocolate in a cool place to prevent it from melting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.